This is episode 2 of DriveWarp by TakeFlight. In today's episode, we are doing our first nighttime drive as we go south on US Interstate 45 through downtown Houston and south towards Galveston County. Once reaching Galveston County, we will turn onto Friendswood and head through the small community there. Every episode of TakeFlight is shot on a GoPro Hero 9 Black with TimeWarp 3.0 hyperlapse technology. Switching to northbound on Interstate 45, heading back into downtown Houston. A few days later, we're now driving in the rain, which doesn't make for the greatest video, but it does have a pretty cool effect, and we're really quickly flying through downtown Houston again, this time going north, and you can just make out the aquarium and the Ferris wheel as we exit downtown, and then we head north towards Dallas, several hours away. Thank you for joining us on DriveWarp. Remember to like and subscribe. We look forward to having you join us again soon. And as always, remember you can also join us on our main channel, TakeFlight, where we do more traditional travel videos.